Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this short video, I want to say a few words about the latest open source seed project that might be useful for those that need documentation engine for their product. And this starter is based on Docusaurus, which is a super popular documentation engine baked by Facebook. On top of the Docusaurus core, of course, we are using the latest version. We provide a nice UI because we try to extract some design patterns from soft UI design from creative team and put it inside the starter just to have a nice UI right from the beginning. On top of this, there is another feature that knows how to report the a missing page event. This is useful when you reorganize all the documentation system to a new structure and all pages are not available. So when a user tries to access an old page, this event is reported using email.js library, and all the missing pages are reported to your email. And another thing is this sticky videos library that keeps your users on site without to redirect your audience to YouTube. Let's take a look how it works. So
Hello guys, thanks
basically,
for watching.
when the
Adrian here from AppSeed.
users are clicking on the link, they can browse the page, and the video will run in the background. So in case you have many things that needs to be explained, you can also use the text, but also attach to your documentation page a video that remains sticky. So also this library is free, and we think it's super useful. In case anyone needs this code base is released under the MIT license on GitHub, and also there is here um, live demo. We have dark mode, a lot of options. The code base can be used for documentation and also for a super simple blog, and feel free to use it into your project. In case anyone have issues with the code base, just access here the issues section, or just access AppSeed and go to the support page. We have here on top of the homepage this link. Just click on it and chat with us using email address, or simply join Discord. So guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about this starter. We decided to migrate also from JetBook to Docusaurus because JetBook lately had many issues, and also it's paid service, and they are updating the pricing. You don't have anything to object. You just need to pay, and this is not the bad thing to pay, but you don't have control over the content, over the new features. So we basically fall back from JetBook to an open source uh, documentation engine because we want to have full control. And after all the AppSeed documentation was migrated to Docusaurus, anyone can check the documentation by accessing this link. So we decided to provide a good a good core for our users in case anyone wants to use it. In our opinion, it's super nice, and uh, can be used in many project types. So guys, thanks for watching again. Adrian here from AppSeed. Let us know what you think about the project, and in all cases, if anyone wants to improve, or simply has issues using the product, contact the support, and we will assist. Thanks again for watching, and see you all on our next material. Bye, guys.